marking, and the question will not be passed on to another group. So who got set 1? Kindly raise your hand. So we have team, your team group name. So Team Penicillin has set 1 question. So I'll be asking you the set 1. The first question, who will be answering? One of the members of population is called dash. Study of population is called dash. So you have only 10 seconds to answer.
Demography.
And the correct answer is demography. Okay. So now they are awarded with 3 points. Number 2 of set 1 question is neglect of a child by another person is called dash. Neglect of a child by another person is called dash.
Child abuse.
And the answer is correct. Child abuse. Okay. Question number 4. Dash is a temporary collection of people reacting together to stimuli. Dash is a temporary collection of people reacting together to stimuli. Any answer? Okay, question repeated. Dash is a temporary collection of people reacting together to stimuli. Any guesses? Okay, so moving on to question number 5. Dash is a type of marriage in which one man marries 2 women. Dash is a type of marriage in which one man marries 2 women.
Polygamy.
Polygamy is the correct answer. Well done. Now you have number 6 question, that is for group 1, that is group penicillin. Full form of MCH is? Full form of MCH is? Maternal and child health. Okay, that is the correct answer. Okay. Then number 7. Causative agent of cholera is dash. Can we have some silence, please?
Vibrio cholera.
Okay. Your spelling will be?
Vibrocholera.
Cholera?
Cholera.
No, actually it was cholerae, okay? Cholerae, okay? But still you will be getting the marks, okay? That is right. Okay, then we have question number 8. Milk is the best source of iron, true or false?
False.
Okay, so if you are prompting, if you are saying, only the one person is allowed to speak, okay? So that is the correct answer. This is your final warning. Next time your marks will be deducted. Okay, number 9. Other name of vitamin C is dash.
Ascorbic acid.
But this is incomplete because it is L-ascorbic acid, right? So should I give the marks or not? L absorbing? Absorbing? Okay, so, okay, very good. So then we have number 10. Question number 10 is, meaning of sullage is dash. Sullage. Sullage. Meaning of sullage is dash. So we have 5 more seconds to answer. And the answer is, anyone?
Human waste.
Human waste. So should I give this answer right or not? Director ma'am? Human waste, the answer? Sillage? Heat or chemical is called? The term for destruction of microorganisms by heat or by chemical is called?
Sterilization.
And that is unfortunately the wrong answer. The right answer is disinfection. Okay. Then you have number 12. Causative agent of tetanus is?
Clostridium tetani.
Can you spell it?
Clostridium. Clostridium. Tetani.
Okay, so we have a correct answer. Very good. Then we have roll number 13. Okay, question number 13. What term refers to the transmission of diseases by insects? The term for transmission of diseases by insects. Any answer? The term for the transmission of diseases by insects?
Arbo.
Your spelling for that?
ARBO.
No, that is wrong. And the correct answer is vector-borne diseases. Okay. Then we have number 14. That is your second last question of this round. Which bacteria is rod-shaped? Rod-shaped bacteria. Which bacteria is rod-shaped? Rod-shaped. Your answer will be? Anyone?
That's endemic.
That is the wrong answer. The correct answer is epidemic. Then we have set 2. And who has set 2? Your group's name is? Morphine. Okay. So morphine group, your the question again. The crisis in young adulthood is dash versus dash.
This they are supposed to answer, your juniors.
Intimacy versus isolation.
And that is correct. Okay. Then moving on to question number 2 of set 2. Dash is the period of stress and strain. dash is the period of stress and strain. Stress and strain. Okay. STRESS, STRAIN. So if you know the answer, kindly say, or we'll be moving on to the next question.
Time up. Time up. Time up.
Ready? Okay, so moving on to question number 3. The question number 2's answer was adulthood. Okay, adulthood is the period of stress and stress. Okay, number 3. Polygamy is a type of marriage not practiced in all religions. True or false?
False.
Okay, it is a practice type of marriage not practiced in all religions. Is it true or false? I think your answer is wrong because you wrote false. Okay. Number 4. Dash is a learning process. Dash is a learning process. So the first 5 questions are only based on sociology. Dash is a learning process. Behavioral changes. Any answer? Okay, that is correct. Then you have question number 7. Question number 7 is principal source of iron is dash. Principal source of iron is dash. Quickly. Principal source of iron is dash. 5 seconds. Anyone? And time is up. Okay. Principal source of iron can be red meat. If you would say red meat, then that would have been also the correct answer.
Red meat and poultry is a...
Okay. Then you have question number 8. Typhoid is a dash-borne disease. Typhoid is a dash-borne disease. P-O-R-N-E.
Waterborne.
Okay, that is correct. Then you have question number 9. Deficiency of vitamin D leads to dash. Deficiency of vitamin D.
Rickets. Rickets. R-I-C-K-E-T-S.
So is it correct or not, miss? Okay, that is the right answer. Then you have question number 10. Eligible couple means. Eligible couple means. E-L-I-G-I-B-L-E.
Girls 18 years above and boys 21 years.
And the correct answer is around 15 to 44 or 45 years. Okay, that is the wrong answer. Then you have number 11, question number 11. The study of microorganisms is called dash. The study of microorganisms is called dash.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
So microbiology.
And that is correct. Okay. Then you have question number 12. Causative agent of tuberculosis is?
Mycobacterium tuberculosis.
Can you spell it?
Mycobacterium.
Bacterium tuberculosis. Okay, very good. Then you have question number 13. What type of infection affects the body's immune system? What type of infection affects the body's immune system? And the answer is, what type of infection affects the body's immune system?
3, 2, 1.
Time up. Okay. So the answer is HIV. Then you have number 14. What is the process? What is the process of killing the growth of microorganisms? What is the process of killing the growth of microorganisms? Simple question. What is the process of killing the growth of microorganisms?
Sterilization.
Okay, that is correct. Sterilization is correct. And the last question of the round for Team Morphin is, what type of bacteria is spherical in shape? Spherical in shape.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Time.
You want to answer? Your spelling?
STIPTO COCC
Okay, then I will give you the answer. Okay, that is correct. Okay. So now for nuclear family is dash. The other name for nuclear family is dash.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Small family.
That is incorrect. It is either conjugal. It is either called conjugal, CONJUGAL, or atomic family. Small family is like your basic understanding only. Okay, we have some technical terms for it. Then you have question number 2. Dowry Prohibition Act was passed on
1961.
Okay, that is also correct. All right, very good. Then we have number 3. Dash is known as Erik Erikson's theory. So Erik Erikson's theory is also known as?
Psychosocial theory.
Okay, psychosocial theory is the correct answer, and it was propagated by Erik Erikson. Then we have number 4. Question number 4. Culture is learned by each member through dash. Culture is learned by each member through dash. Any guesses? Method of family planning in male is called dash. In male is called dash.
Vasectomy.
And that is also correct. Okay. Then you have question number 9. Expand Asha.
social health activist.
Okay, your spelling for the first word.
ACCREDITED.
Okay, very good. Accredited. Okay, accredited social health activist. Then you have question number 10. When is World Tobacco Day celebrated?
31st May.
Okay, that is also correct. Very good. Then you have question number 11. Question number 11 will be, which organism causes malaria? Which organism causes malaria? Okay, then we have next number 12. Okay, number 12. The term used for the study of virus is dash.
Virology.
Okay, that is correct. Very good. Then you have number 13. Presence of a disease in a particular geographical area is called dash.
Endemic.
And the spelling is
ENGAMIC.
EN?
EMIC.
Okay, endemic. That is also correct. Very good. Then we have second last question for the group. That is number 14. Method used in physical examination is called dash. Method used in physical examination is called dash.
Anthropometric.
And should I give the answer correct or not? Director ma'am? And the answer is incorrect. Okay? So if you could have just said inspection, then that would be correct. Then you have last question of the round. A structure and functional unit of protein is called dash.
Amino acid.
Okay, can you spell it?
AMINOACID.
Okay, that is correct. So this
Microscopy.
Uh-huh.
Microscopy.
So that is again wrong, I think. It is your Doppler one. Okay. Then we have next question for team streptomycin. And the answer is?
CT scan.
Okay, that is correct. CT scan. And from team penicillin only, can anybody say the full form of CT?
Computerized tomograph.
Okay, very good. Now we are moving on to our team morphine, and these questions will only be based on bones. Okay? So the first question is, identify this bone.
Radius.
And the answer is, so it is called ulna. Okay? Very good. Moving on to team streptomycin. Team streptomycin. Kindly identify this.
Fibula.
And the answer is correct. Fibula. Then we have team penicillin. Identify this image. Marks will be deducted for not keeping silence.
Sacrum.
Yeah. So that is valid, right? And it is correct. Identify this image. Martha, your team will get marks deducted if you keep on making noise.
Higher queen.
Okay, the answer is correct, which is higher one. Then you have identified this image,
Zygomatic bone.
and the answer is definitely correct. Zygomatic bone. Then we have next team. Team penicillin, identify this portion.
Cervical.
Wow, that is the correct answer. But it is backed by cervical vertebrae. Okay, cervical is just a denotion. Okay, that is the thing denoted. Then we have human body organs. So now, based on this round, we again have Team Morphin with us. So your first image in the visual round is this. Identify this organ.
Spleen.
Okay, so the correct answer is spleen. Okay, very good. Next image is as follows. Identify this portion again. And the answer is alright, adrenal gland. Then we have Team Penicillin again. Team Penicillin, your answer for this is
Hypothalamus.
and the answer is medulla oblongata. Okay. Okay. Then we have Team Morphin again. Team Morphin, can you identify this?
Colon.
What type of colon is that?
Last intestine transfer.
Okay, your answer is transverse colon. Okay, I'll give you that. Next is identify this image.
Pancreas.
Okay, that answer is also correct. It is pancreas. Okay. Then moving on, we have identify this portion of brain.
Cerebellum.
And your answer is cerebellum. That is the correct answer. Okay. Then we have next round. So what do you think, the judges? We'll ask the judges. Did they say cerebrum or cerebellum? Then we are not going to give the marks. Okay, I am just asking the judges here. Is it right or not? Let's see. Okay. Identify. Okay, and the answer is definitely right. Lacrimal. Very good. Then we have next image.
Metacarpal.
Okay, and the answer is correct. Metacarpal. Then we have last image of the round. Identify this image. And the answer is Scapula. Okay, very good. That is also the correct answer. Okay. So this round was again a well balanced answer given by the team members, and I think we'll be tallying all the marks, and then we'll have the final round, that is round 3. Round 3 will be based on MCQ. That means you will have multiple choice questions, and your timer for each question is only 10 seconds. Okay.
Use ID. Use ID.
Pause it once. Pause it once.
Next one.
Okay.
Oh, use ID. Next.
Wait. I think it is not being visible. The questions are not being visible. That's why it will not be unfair. Get her.
Use ID.
Okay. Right. Okay. This is your use and the comments. Right. Next question is, which results in too much of cortisol secretion in the body?
Next one.
Next, okay. After a laryngectomy, which of the following assessment takes priority?
Long sound.
Okay.
C.
Next question. Cigarette smoking can affect the circulation by?
A.
Narrowing of the blood vessels. Then number 5 question. The most common clinical finding associated with cancer of urinary bladder is?
B.
Okay.
D.
So she has said B. Then you have question number 6. Injection atropine sulfate is given preoperatively. That's true.
C.
Sticky speeding C is also okay. Then number 7. A client at risk for increased ICP. Which of the following would be priority for the nurses to monitor?
D.
Okay, the increasing body temperature. Then number 8, the pain associated with migraine headache is caused by?
D.
Okay, the sustained contraction of the muscles around the face now. Then you have question number 9. Most important objectives during the post-burn phase is to?
B.
B. Replace fluid volume. Then you have loss of speech is also known as?
A.
Okay, aphonia. Okay, now your question will be passed to next. On a mark and go. Massaging the insulin injection site leads to? Next. Kaposi sacroma is common in? Okay. A. Hepatitis. Inflammation of the cornea is called?
B.
Okay, B. Keratitis. Okay. Then number 14. The occupational disease caused by inhalation of cotton fiber dust over a long period of time? C. Okay, they have said C. Hearing loss associated with aging is known as? Option? B. Okay, option B. Which laboratory report is diagnosed by a nurse for UTI? C. Urine culture. Okay. Number 17. All are warning signs of cancer except?
D.
Okay, they have said D, option D. Insertion of a needle into the pleural cavity.
C.
Okay, they have said option C. The most common therapeutic intervention for management of toxic ingestion is
C.
C. Okay, and then maximum score of Glasgow coma
B.
D, 12. Okay, then a nurse in medical ward had a needle stick injury after injecting a patient with long-term fever. Which diagnostic test would be done for her? Okay. A condition in which bone matrix is lost, which makes the bone more susceptible to fracture is? And time is up. Okay. So now, this question was not answered by this group. So following your answer, the question will be based on this number 22 itself. So are you ready? Get, set, go. A condition in which bone matrix is lost, which makes bone more susceptible to fracture is?
C.
Okay, C. During CPR, cardiac compression is applied to?
D.
D, okay, they have said D. What is the primary action of insulin in the body?
D.
Okay, D. They have said D again. Which of the following clinical findings indicate the patient is expecting hypokalemia?
B.
B, answer B, okay. Then you have 26. The positive diagnosis for HIV infection is made based on? Positive diagnosis. Okay, B. Yes, it's B.
D.
B or D? Okay. Then gamma knife is used in surgery of?
B.
Okay, B. Then you have next question. The nurse identifies ventricular tachycardia on the heart monitor. The nurse should immediately? A is the answer, okay? A. Then the patient states, my stomach hurts about 2 hours after I eat. Based upon this information, the nurse suspects the patient likely has a
A.
A, okay? A is the answer. Then the nurse is caring for a patient with colostomy. The patient asks, will I ever be able to swim again? The nurse-based response would be
A.
A, okay? So then that concludes the rapid fire round. So now the marks will be tallied. Alright? So let me ask the JNM first year students also. Who do you think is likely going to win this quiz round? Because we don't know which round, who is winning the skit round. Okay, only for quiz. It is from team penicillin. How many of you say penicillin? Raise your hand. Team penicillin. Only 3, 4. And team streptomycia? Okay, alright, very good. And what about team morphine? Wow, okay. So see your supporters, seniors. Alright. So in this regard also we have seen that we have been helping hand of each other in your respective groups. Okay? And without which we all become a disarrayed. We only become crowd. Okay? So every time whenever we are performing or participating, be it your skit competition, be it your quiz, be it any other events, we all have to forget everything aside and unite whenever any performances or quizzes or any other things is being conducted. That way you will be showing your own unity as well as you will be showing the unity of this institute. So thank you all for participating. Now you may proceed to your respective places.